All right, so I won't be showing my screen anymore since there is nothing new to show. Just want to check your progress. So let's start with Mr. Eric Jan. Who are your group mates or what group are you?
Sir, we're group 4.
Group 4. Do you have
Yes.
group mates in here? Meron ka bang kasamang
Wala po yata, sir.
mag-isa mo lang? Okay.
Apa.
So, all right, that's okay. That's fine. May you just know what is now your progress with the project?
For sir, is nagawa na po namin, sir, yung homepage po ng website po namin. Kasi pin ko na lang po, sir, magdadagdag na lang po kami ng mga details about dun sa mga, details about dun sa website po namin.
Uh, is it okay if you can show it to us the
Ah,
whatever is the progress? Do you have it
sir.
in there?
Yes, sir. Wait lang. Sir, pwede mag-share screen?
There you go. So you can share the screen now.
Sir, bali ito yung namin, homepage namin, sir.
Programming skill test. Yeah, it's good.
Wait lang, sir.
HTML. So did you use the basics HTML, PHP, CSS? Mga yan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bali sir, ang gagawin na lang po namin sir is maglalagay na lang po kami about details sa about, language, contact. Tapos nagawa na rin po namin yung login.
Yeah, it's good. Is
Sign up.
it working right now? The sign up and then the login.
Sir, wala pa po. Di pa lang po namin sir na i-register dyan sa may... Gagamit po kami sir ng may PHP po ba yun?
Yes. You can use my
Gagamit po kami sir.
or you
Pero
can
di
use
pa lang po namin
Firebase.
nagagawa.
So for now, yan muna.
Sir, bali ang gagawin po namin ngayon is lalagyan po namin ng content tong contact, languages, about, yun lang po.
What about the function of the main functionality of your website? That one, the get started.
Sir, bali dito sir is parang muna siya, magsa-sign up muna siya sir ng account para ma-access niya po sir yung laman ng website mismo, yung quiz mismo para dun sa programming skill test.
Pero ngayon, wala pa na.
Wala pa lang sir po. Wala pa lang po namin nagagawa.
So,
Sir, bali ang finalize po namin ngayon sir itong content ng contact, languages, saka about. Tapos gagawin na rin po namin yung may PHP ng login saka sign up.
Okay.
Ngayong araw.
Okay. So I would say maybe 10 to 15% or even let's say 20% progress with the project. Well, that's a good start already. Once you have finished probably the login or the sign up and then the login, once it's already working, I guess it's easy now to put some questions using the database or the PHP.
Yes, sir.
So pwede rin naman kasing I guess it's okay if even though it's not coming from database, it's okay if it's hard coded. So alamin na lang siguro yung marami namang sample template like how to create the question and then like maybe choices or if it's pseudocoding how to or yun yung fill in the blanks parang ganun. So just create a blank. Ganun yung kanya, 'di ba? Parang i-test niyo yung skill nung gagamit.
Yes, sir.
So, nasa sa inyo na yun. So, maybe you can combine those two, multiple choice or fill in the blanks. Or...
Yes, sir.
Okay, so pwedeng hard-coded yun, I guess. Tapos, lagyan nyo na ng animation kapag tama yung sagot. And then, just get the score. Kasi let's say, out of 50, ilan ba yung nakuha niya. And then, probably you can add some reviews. Like, parang, or preview. Okay, kung saan siya nagkamali. And then, just to show which are the correct answers for those incorrect answers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so once you made that, okay, kahit isa lang, huwag niyo munang pahirapan yung sarili niyo. Okay, because widening that one, like for example, adding a difficulty, say, ang ginawa niyo na lang muna is easy. Natapos niyo na yun, I would pass you already. Yun na yun,
Ah,
para
okay.
hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan. Kasi pagdagdag ng let's say parang medium difficulty and then let's say hardest or expert programmer, madali na lang yun. So you just clone the first one and then just change the questions and then the choices. Parang ganun. So still have 3 weeks. You guys still have 3 weeks from now, so that's already good progress. Okay, okay. Very good. And you can already start doing the chapter 3 and 4 as early as of now para may ma-check na ako kasi wala pang nagsasubmit ng chapter 3 and 4. Okay?
Okay po.
All right. Okay, so thank you Eric Jan, Ms. Cara. What about you, Mr. Carlo?
Hello,
Carlo?
sir.
Okay. So what group are you?
Wait, sir. Sir, group 1 po, sir. Ale, sir, sisimulan pa lang po, sir, kasi hindi pa po nila na asikaso, sir. Hindi pa po namin maasikaso to. Tatlo po yung research na nagagawa ngayon, sir. Kaya sisimulan pa lang po siguro this week. So,
Your proposal is an Android application, right?
calorie up, sir. Yes, sir.
Pero smart, sa cellphone siya, di ba?
Yes, sir. Sa cellphone po, sir.
Have you guys talked what platform or what programming language you're going to use to create this application? May prospect na ba kayo? Or wala pa?
Android Studio, sir, yung gagamitin po namin, sir.
I guess that's okay. Though, ganito na lang, para mas mapadali. Kasi nag-worry ako kasi wala pa kayong, I mean, yeah, zero knowledge kayo when it comes to Android programming, right? Or did you guys have an Android webinar, seminar, or subject? Kasi wala na tayong ganun eh. Wala na tayong Android subject. Next sem pa lang kasi ma-update pa lang yung curriculum natin.
Sir,
Dadagdagan
I
lang.
think yung mga sir, yung mga class members ko po, sir, mga kagrupo ko po, sir, merong
So
knowledge.
we have background. Well, I guess it's okay. So we can still pursue this one. But if you guys cannot do this one on, on Android and smartphone, you can switch to, let's see, a desktop application. Gawa na lang kayo ng application and then sa desktop nyo na lang gawin or implement rather. So,
Sige po, sir.
para kung sakaling mahirapan natin. But if you guys can do it, then why not? Then it's a lot better. Anyway, okay. So I'm looking forward to your project. What about you, Mr. Awas? Kasama
Kagrupo
ka
ko,
sa
sir.
group 1.
Yes, sir.
Kita ko yung pangalan mo. Jasper,
Yes, sir.
what group are you in?
Group 2, sir.
Group 2. Okay, so any progress regarding with the so-called software applications food expiration equals 1
Sir,
expiration manager?
ang alam ko po, sir, may coding po kami na nagawa pero hindi pa po kasi nasa-send dun sa GC kaya hindi pa po namin nakikita. Nasa iisang member po yung code namin. Kaya hindi pa nasa-send.
This is a mobile application, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So my main concern is, do you guys have any background with, Android developing or, and software application on smartphone?
Sir, hindi ko lang po alam dun sa iba naming groupmate. Yeah.
Pero parang may nag-start na sa inyo?
Yes sir. Sabi po may code po kami na na nagawa. May error lang po kasi na tawag dito na isa.
So again, same advice with your group. Kung ano in-advise ko kay Mr. Carlos. So if you guys cannot do it on an Android smartphone or let's say iOS, kasi magkaiba kasi na kahit Android na lang, kahit isa lang, you can switch to desktop application if it's
Okay
not
sir.
really
Thank.
doable in smartphone.
Okay po sir.
All right, so please, I'm looking forward to your project. What about Mr. John David?
Sir, hello po.
What group are you in?
Group 6 po.
Group 6. All right. The map. The map. The map. Okay, so any progress that you guys can show regarding with your project?
Yes sir, meron na po.
Okay, so you have it right now. You can share your screen for us to see the progress. Okay.
Hello sir, narinig niyo po ako.
Yes, yes. So
Ito po yung progress nung Blender. Here.
it's nice. So you have a 3D.
Sir, pero poly lang siya, okay lang po ba? Kasi medyo mahirap pag medyo realistic eh.
Yes, okay. Parang yung box na lang muna siguro. Just
Ah,
saka na lang yung mga details. So that's already a good output actually.
okay. Sir, wala pa po akong may idea dito. Saan ba yun? If i-click ito, sir, ano po ba yung ipapakita? Or pictures na lang po ba? Or yung mismong nasa loob po ba ng building? Ganun po ba?
Yung mismo nasa loob sana. Kasi syempre, pag nasa labas, hindi ka pa naman mawawala, di ba? So,
Yes, sir.
nasa loob ka na dapat. Like,
Sir, I mean yung picture lang yung papakita tas direction na lang, sir. Pwede po ba yung ganun? Kasi pag ganito po medyo mahirap po sa loob. Parang 3D din po. Ganun po ba? Any suggestion po ba, sir?
you mean, for example, nasa gate 1 ka, right? You can take a
Yes,
picture
yes.
and you can like add arrows.
Yeah, yeah.
Way is going to blah blah blah. This bright way is going to the let's say stairs going down, and then meron pang another parang ganon.
Yes, sir.
Well, supposedly mas maganda kung yung parang 3D na, di ba? Kasi syempre, pero okay, let's see. Since nag-start pa lang naman kayo, and then you guys are still like second year, third years, and then you're not really expert when it comes to with that kind of thing. So, okay na muna yan. Sige. I will accept that one. Okay. But if you
Okay,
guys
sir.
still like enough time, kung magawa nyo ng 3D, let's say kahit sa entrance lang and then sa pababa, as long as may konting progress kayo, and then parang ipagpatuloy na lang kapag may time pa, then please do that one. Okay. But for now, so I think madali na lang yun di ba? Pictures hallway, and then pictures sa pagpababa. Like
Yes, sir.
lahat pipicturean nyo. So you guys have to ask permission, or kapag nasa UC na siguro kayo, ginawa nyo na ba to? Nag-take kayo ng
Sa labas pa lang po yung pinicturean po namin.
sa
Kasi
labas.
nung pumunta po kami, bawal daw po pumasok muna sa loob, sabi po ng guard.
Bawal muna kasi sa main entrance. Doon lang talaga kayo sa engineering department. Well, I guess
Yes,
I can do this one since ang next meeting natin sa CPE drop will be on March 26, right?
Yes, sir.
Take a picture on gate 6 since I think yun pa rin naman yung pasukan your gate 6, and then papasok doon, and then just give me a maybe a few pictures before you can go to this S00 building, And then to kung ano pa ba yung mga yun, M buildings, di ba sa pwede kayong pumunta rin doon sa taas ng canteen. Di ba
Yes, sir.
may
Yes, sir.
kababa ng canteen, meron yung papataasin. Picturean nyo rin siguro yun, and then kasama na rin siguro yung SEA office. So bahala na kayo mag-layout kung ilang picture para lang, let's see, mag-guide. This is the way going to SEA office. This is the way going to the senior high school office. This is the way going to S0, let's see, ranging from S200 to S22 or say S250, let's say parang 50 rooms. So,
Okay, sir.
bahala na kayo. Okay, pagandahin nyo na lang. And then as long as it's friendly, user-friendly, madaling maintindihan, easy to understand the map. Like, nandun ako sa perspective na to, sa picture na to, malalaman ko kagad.
Okay, sir.
So, yeah, that's a very good progress. I would say 10%. So, hindi naman na siguro kailangan ng login, right?
Naman na, sir. Basta interface na lang.
Pwede nyo ring lagyan kung gusto nyo. Pero, not necessary. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
So, okay, that's good thing that you guys have big progress. It's 10%. All right. So the next one is, or last one rather, is Mr. Ryan. What group are you in?
Please, sir.
3. So, automated light control system. Mhm. Mhm. All right. So, do you have any progress so far?
Yes, sir, we have progress, but the actual file of the progress is with my other group mates. But so far we have already done. As far as the hardware is concerned, it's no longer a problem to us. Like, we already have the we already know the components, and we already know the diagram and how we'll do it. The only problem now is actually getting the actual components physically.
All right.
And the same time, we're already doing the survey on if regarding about if people do find turning the lights on and off physically inconvenient, or it's time consuming, or due to lazy reasons, something like that.
Your project is again like doesn't have a
Automated light control system, sir.
will it have a switch, physical switch to turn on and off?
Yes, sir.
And then
But
once it's
we
turned on,
also we plan it to integrate that on a smartphone, sir.
Mhm. So once it's turned on, it will not turn on right away unless it's really dark in the room, something like that. Is that how your project works, or it will only turn on once there's a human detected on that or near that light or near that sensor
When it's dark, sir.
when it's dark? So not
Yes, sir.
necessarily that there is a human detection.
Yes, sir.
Mm. So this one is good for night, like indoor or outdoor probably.
Yes, sir. Because it's for houses, sir. It's not really for designed for outdoors.
This one is actually ideal for street lights. So kala like kasi syempre 'di ba sa street lights merong may specific switch pa rin naman 'yun. But
Yes,
if
sir.
you can make it automatic so that set a hassle to that whose person is assigned to turn on and off that
Yes,
one
sir.
from time to time. So parang similar to sa what was your CPE drop project proposal?
As for the group or for individually?
Sa CPE drop. Di ba group yun?
Well, if it's about the group, our proposal was a solar powered flashlight.
Hmm, is it somewhat related or same with this one? I know.
No, sir, they're two different things. This one, the project that we're doing for self-design is not solar powered operated. It's also
Well,
reliant on batteries.
My concern in this subject is since this one is so-called software or soft design lab, right? So, it's okay if it's just a prototype in hardware, say done in breadboard. It's already okay as long as it's really working. My main concern is the application itself. Okay.
Yes,
So-
sir. Like what I mentioned earlier, it's going to be the controls will be integrated on a smartphone. So we'll also have to make an app on that.
Yeah. No. What I'm saying is you don't need to implement it on a real let's say real situation, like you're going to buy a real bulb, like a big bulb. You can just use an LED. Okay, para hindi na masyadong gumastos.
Sige,
And
sir.
then ang i-check ko talaga is yung application.
Okay, sir.
All right, so that's good thing that you guys very happy progress. So I just hope that I can see your output on smartphone soon. Maybe not now since you don't have it with you. Yes, I guess that's already it. So I wasn't able to check what group 5. Group 4 is done. So there is one group that I wasn't able to check today, which is the Parent Assistance Service application. Anyway, so yeah, it's a good thing that you guys have at least 10-15% progress. So if it's already working and then you have, let's see, the for example, the group of Mr. Ramos, you can send pictures of your hardware on this week 11 and 12, the project progress. So you can just
Yes, sir. Once we start to have the physical components, I'll send it.
okay. Kasi wala pang nagsasubmit. Just let me know that you have at least 1% or 2% of an output. Kasi sayang, parang has been 3 weeks already since we've started this finals, this project. So sayang yung oras kung wala pa rin hanggang. Anyway, so that's all for now. I hope you guys can finish it one in 3 weeks. So let's just meet again on this coming March 22 for another update of your project. Okay, so goodbye and thank you guys for coming as always. And keep safe. Have a blessed day to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Lou.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you.